Welcome to my channel. I'm in a hyper mood today because the joy of the Lord is my strength. Buy my album coming tomorrow, yesterday, okay? So now we're gonna sorry, I'm so hyper right now. But yeah, this is what Jesus does to you, you know. Jesus makes you high, and I'm not talking about in the worldly way, like high like that. He just makes you so happy and just
bubbly and bubbly, and I'm so bubbly. I'm supposed to be doing voiceover. Right now I'm doing with my mouth.
Okay, so yeah, we added raspberries and some coconut and some almond flakes, and there you have it, your smoothie bowl with some pumpkin seeds as well. Very nutritious. You've got all of your nutritions in the bowls. So on your Daniel fast, you're not going to be malnourished, okay? The next thing we're going to do is a juice. Obviously, we can never do a video without doing a juice. And yeah, we got red cabbage, which is high in antioxidants. And I don't know why I added the chilies. Like, when I tell you it was spicy, I was breathing and it was fire was coming out of my mouth. I saw fumes. So yeah, I highly do not recommend the chilies, you know, unless you want to be chastised, then yeah, take it. Okay, yeah, drip drip, and then I dropped it. Look at that.
Silly angry, clumsy black woman. Angry black woman. Clumsy angry black woman.
Hopefully when you get the juice into your cup, then you can drink it, okay? But I do not, like I said, I do not recommend the chilies. I think I was being a bit too exotical over here. Next, we're going to do a teriyaki bowl. And the thing I like about this bowl is that it's kind of similar to the last recipe I did, Daniel Fast 1 recipe, because we're not trying to waste ingredients, you know. The coconut aminos and the balsamic vinegar, what? Oh my goodness. Vinegar, you know, can be reused, you know. So yeah, we just marinated this organic protein chunks that's made out of peas and fava. Look. Peas and fava. It's gluten-free, vegan, soya-free, high plant protein and high in fiber. And you're just going to cook this up, yes? Yes, keep cooking it up. I'm kind of zoning out, sorry. Yeah, twist, turn, twist, sizzling, twist, turn, toss, turn, twist, turn, twist again, turn. I need to sleep. But yeah, we're gonna have brown rice instead of white rice because you don't want the white rice to block your prayers, you know. So, and I'm joking, don't cry. We've got the carrots, the cabbage, we've got edamame, we've got teriyaki, you know, the thing that I just showed you in the other thing, and the mild chilies that they said they were mild, but they were silly chilies. And some spring onions. We're going to add the aromatics, and I do recommend having an avocado mayonnaise sauce to it because with all the vegetables, especially the cabbage and the carrots, it can be a little bit dry.
Okay, bye.